You want food?
Go get it. Oh! I just...
10 calves and a cow just wants to eat you!
This is a Christian household.
Sam, I've got a treat for you.
Sit.
I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching zone.
Good. Well then...
Oh my God! I can't believe you reached across like that again. I can't even believe it.
Alright guys, I've done everything I know to do to get famous on this TikTok app, but nothing seems to be working. I've seen this work for other people, so I'm going to give it a shot. Here's my butt.
Park.
Meow, meow. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh man. God damn, Jim, you did yourself here. You did. Wait a second. How long have I been here? I can't feel. Jim, I can't feel my face.
How many taps until Kimbo gets mad?
So I'm moving most of my stuff tomorrow, and I took out all of the glass pieces in the shelf, and usually Lennon like climbs up it to get to the windowsill, and she just like couldn't tell that there was no glass in it. So Lennon, oh, there's no glass.
This is why Kevin can't be trusted with the ball launcher alone. Wait for it. Brings it back. Good dog. Puts it back in. Anger, 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 anger.
Alright, apparently this filter knows what you're thinking. Oh my gosh, that's so weird. Alright, Bailey, let's see what you're thinking. About to bite you? Baby never would bite me. You. Oh my God. This is a list of dog names that I think are terrible. Bella.
Bella. She was joking. She had to be joking. Nothing's wrong with the name Bella. Ah!
Oh, you're so cute, pup. Let me see you smile. Oh, that's such a cute smile. That's such a cute smile, pup. Let me see you smile. Oh, you're so handsome.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
Gasp at your dogs to see their reaction.
Larry, you gotta stop leaving these things open. You gotta close them, alright? Come here. Listen to me. Listen to me, you son of a bitch. If I catch one more door open, I'm gonna lose it. Damn it! What did we just talk about? Are you paying the electric bill around here? I don't think so, alright? Oh my god, another one? Alright, dude.
Tina!
Cyrus, the people want to know. Can we get an whoop?
This is mine. No. It's mine.
Cereal. Let me eat my cereal. No.
Alright, Jackson. Since this thing has ran out of smell, it no longer has any use for me. Will you get that? Get it!
Do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man.
Yes, I know the Muffin Man. Who lives on Drury Lane?
Well, she's married to the Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man! How's it going, buddy? Not again. Please don't do it again.
Did you do this? This is Vera Wang.
Who that is? She do nails? I need to get my nails did.
That's it. I'm calling the police.
I ain't scared no popo. Call the popo, ho. Call the popo, ho.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man.
Please, just bark. That's not a bark. What's wrong with you? You're a dog.
Do you see anything? Do you see anything? Do you see anything? Do you see anything that way? Do you see anything that way? How about over that way? Because I don't see anything. So what are you barking at?
I'm telling him. No. We're done. You're being bad. Okay? Yeah, Coco's being bad.
Yeah, you just gotta bang that, put it in your pocket, and twirl. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be good. There you go, Larry. Don't worry, got another one. Oh, these fishes. Ooh, what is this, Larry? This is yours.
Yeah, Larry, just gotta bang it right there on the wall. Hold on, I'm coming.
Just hang on, Larry. Just gotta try one more thing here. We just gotta come up here, just bang it on the door. Yeah, just bang the shit out of it. Yep. Hold on. 1, 2. Yep, that's gonna be good. All right, Larry. Funny business aside. Give me the thing. Let's do this. Whoa!